Good evening, everyone. This is how I prepare my breakfast for tomorrow. So, oats, 3 tablespoons. Wait lang. 3 tablespoons of rolled oats. And cinnamon powder, konti lang. And 1 teaspoon of chia seed. And konting honey. And 6 pieces of 6 pieces of almond nuts, Californian almond. And half glass siguro to ng almond unsweetened milk. Yan, half glass na yan siguro. Tama na yan. And yogurt, 2 teaspoon of Cypriot Greek yogurt, light, 1.5. Sorry. Dalawang kutsara ng light yogurt. So, and mix. Haluin lang natin siya. Kailangan mag-mix sila. Mix. Tapos, ibabad natin sa refrigerator, sa fridge, magdamag. Tapos, kinabukasan, let's add any fruit, berries, mulberry, blueberry, like that, strawberry, 3 piraso, 4, ganyan. So, healthy. This helps me to achieve lower bad cholesterol. Because 3 months ago, my blood test was so high bad cholesterol, high LDL. So they advised me to have a healthy diet. So oats is one of my healthy diet, like this. Yan. So yan, ibababad natin yan ngayon sa fridge. Tapos bukas, put just a little warm water para hindi naman, it's up to you kung gusto mong lagyan ng warm o hindi. Ako kasi nilalagyan ko